you've created. You're something beautiful, a contradiction. I wanna play the game, I want the friction.